In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a calculator in Notion. If you're looking to integrate a calculator directly into your Notion workspace to enhance your productivity and keep everything neatly organized, you've come to the right place. This is a straightforward process that will have your calculator embedded and ready to go in no time. Let's begin by visiting the Notion homepage. This is the central hub where all your workspaces reside. From there, you'll want to locate and click on the specific workspace where you wish to add the calculator. Workspaces function as your digital offices, separate, organized spaces where you can manage different projects, tasks, or aspects of your life. Once you've selected your workspace, the next step is to open a blank page or select the particular page where you want the calculator to appear. Now comes the fun part. Making use of one of Notion's powerful / commands to bring in new elements to your page. Type // followed by the word embed. This action will open up a menu of options that allow for various types of content to be embedded directly into your workspace. Next, simply select the Embed option from the menu. This prepares your page to accept an external URL as an embedded feature. At this point, you'll need to have a specific URL handy, a web address that links to an online calculator. If you don't have one on the top of your head, consider pausing the video to find one quickly, or jot down our recommendation. Once you have your URL ready, paste it into the field provided. After pasting the URL, you'll notice an option to Embed Link. Go ahead and click this to finalize adding the calculator to your Notion page. The calculator will appear directly within your Notion interface, seamlessly integrating this useful tool with the rest of your digital workspace. Finally, take a moment to adjust the size of the calculator to fit your preference. You can click and drag from its corners to make it larger or smaller, ensuring it fits perfectly with the rest of your content on the page. This adaptability allows you to keep your page aesthetic and layout just the way you like it. There you have it, a quick and easy process to embed a calculator in your Notion workspace. Now, you can perform calculations, track your figures, and maintain your productivity without the need to switch between apps or tabs. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide helps streamline your Notion experience.